If I lost everything, my company, my assets, everything, and had to start from $0, I would drop everything else and only do this YouTube and SNS. Why? Because I've seen it firsthand. Starting a business today without social media is like fighting with one hand tied behind your back. It's the ultimate cheat code. I built my success using it. Part 1: Why you need to start today. Many people say, oh, real experts don't do YouTube. Or, you only succeeded because of your channel. They're missing the point. It is the point. It's free. The platform itself costs you nothing. It's necessary. Look at the world's biggest players: Samsung, Apple, even OpenAI and Google. They all use YouTube and Instagram. If the world's best companies need it, why do you think you don't? The limitations are solved. Every single excuse you have, fear of showing your face, lack of equipment, it's too late, has been solved by thousands of creators already. If you are starting over in 2025, there is no better method with less risk. Part 2: The 2 biggest problems and the ultimate solution. Most people fail for 2 reasons. Let's solve them right now. Problem number 1: time and consistency. You work 10 hours a day. You only have a few hours of free time. Trying to consistently produce high-quality videos on a new topic like fishing or gaming is impossible. You can't beat the full-time creators. Problem number 2: low ad revenue. Even if you learn the skills, 90% of you will end up in the 100 to 10,000 view range. That ad revenue alone won't change your life. The solution: your life is the content. Stop trying to make videos about what you like a hobby. Make videos about what you already spend 12 hours doing. Your job, your business, your daily struggles. Be genuine. Don't fake interest in a trending niche. Talk about your real frustrations: the job you hate, the failing business, the tough challenge you face. Content is a diary. If you film what you already do, content preparation time drops to 0. Your entire day is your source material. This is how you beat the competition: by using your work hours as production hours. Part 3: The winning squad strategy. How to go viral. Now that you have a source for content, your life, you need a system to ensure some of those videos hit big. You need to build a winning squad of evergreen topics. Use data to find topics. Don't guess. Use analytics tools to find topics in your niche that have a history of high exposure and good performance. Test and recruit. Every video you upload is a test. You're interviewing new players for your team. You might upload 11 videos and only find 2 winners: your first team players. Rinse and repeat. Don't be afraid to remake or refresh your winning topics every 6 months to a year. Your core audience loves them, and new viewers are constantly joining. Part 4: The 0.1% mindset. How to accept criticism. Success isn't just about strategy, it's about mindset. To grow, you must learn to accept criticism. The 0.1% person is a vessel. They have a growth mindset. They see harsh, honest feedback not as a personal attack, but as valuable data, a challenge they can overcome and a key to their growth. Be a better boss to yourself. Stop protecting your ego. Your willingness to change based on honest feedback, no matter how rude it is what separates the successful from everyone else. Part 5: The power of multiplication. Finally, understand the business of YouTube. It's all about multiplication. Your revenue is a long chain of multiplications. Exposure X, click-through rate X, watch time X, landing page visits X, conversion rate, sales. If any step in that chain is 0, your sales are 0. The goal is to eliminate all the zeros. If you make even $500 a month from your YouTube business, it means your entire system is working. It's non-zero. Now, you just need to find the weakest link, the bottleneck, and improve that one step from 1% to 2%. Because it's a multiplication chain. That small improvement will lead to exponential growth in your final revenue. Call to action. The door to this opportunity is closing every day as more professionals enter the game. If you are serious about changing your life, your work, and your future, you need to start building your platform right now. Don't wait. Start today. Your life is the content.